For the final siren test of the year, I thought I'd do something a little special. I brought the megablaster Jr. outside this time and did a 1-minute test. I didn't do a 3-minute test because, well, there was a malfunction when I tried to do a 3-minute alert with the megablaster Jr. doing its first full test on my channel back in March of 2017. So I was worried that it would happen again if I ran it for more than a minute, because it might overheat due to the lack of heat sinks. Oh, and here's another reason why I'm not going to mount the mini bosai musen outside permanently. Because if I did that, people would be able to easily find my house on Google Maps. They'd be like, I wonder which house is BSP's house. Oh gee, I don't know. Maybe the one with the big ugly horns mounted on the balcony. And then they'd be able to find my address super quickly. Anyways, on with the siren test video. And there it was, the final siren test of the year. I heard the Westmount Thunderbolt in the background again. Not sure if you could hear it, but I could hear it. As you can tell here, I still haven't put heat sinks on it yet, because I can't find a heat sink that'll work with this amplifier chip. And I'm also dumb enough not to put heat sinks on the volt regulators either, but there are heat sinks for those. As you know, the heat sinks that are on my Mini Thunderbolt would work perfectly for these voltage regulators here and here. I'm hoping to one day make a new and improved version of the Megablaster Junior with a better rotator circuit, amplifier, and heat sinks and everything. But for now, this is the Megablaster Junior as it is. And mini bosai musen that just played nanatsuko, a shortened version, because the full version on the Toa melodix ML1000 goes for like 3 minutes. So I shortened it down to like a minute and a half, and now it worked. So I had to sound it at 9:58 and 30 seconds this time instead of 9:59. But